Hello and welcome back to Chic Spaces. Today we are taking you on a tour of this beautiful design 3 BHK at Aparna Luxor Park. With its modern aesthetics and stunning designs, this space truly exemplifies the contemporary living. Let's explore the stunning craftsmanship, design details that sets this home truly apart. This TV unit features elegant louvers and sleek profile lights that enhances the overall design.
The stone backsplash design, combined with sleek profile lights and louvers, beautifully enhances the room's fine details. The true centerpiece is the magnificent veneer ceiling, which adds a touch of warmth and elegance to the entire space. In the vanity area, the combination of stone cladding and veneer creates a chic and refined look, providing a seamless blend of textures that exudes sophistication. Now, as we move towards the dining room, the crockery unit immediately stands out with its elegant onyx tiles, complemented by a quartz countertop and backsplash that add a luxurious touch. As we step into the master bedroom, it's a true retreat. The stunning bookmatch tile on the headboard wall sets a luxurious tone, adding an artistic touch. The walk-in closet, designed with ample storage, it maintains the room's open and inviting atmosphere. In this kitchen, we have embraced a modern aesthetic with beautiful acrylic finish in the subtle, soothing colors. The profile glass on the cabinets adds a touch of sophistication, seamlessly blending functionality and style in the heart of the home. Moving on to the puja room, the centerpiece is the beautifully crafted puja unit. The teak finished puja arch, paired with elegant veneer doors, creates a serene and spiritual corner for the family. The kids' room exudes comfort with its textured paint and an inclined headboard designed for restful and cozy sleep. The wardrobes feature deco paint on shutters, offering a blend of aesthetic appeal and practicality, perfect for a child's space. In the guest bedroom, a calming wallpaper combined with elegant louvers sets a tranquil mood. The sliding door wardrobes not only save space but complete the peaceful and inviting feel of this room, ensuring comfort for every guest.
My favorite part of this house are the vanity unit and the dining area ceilings, which is done in veneer and stone cladding across. Please watch the entire video and leaving comments about your favorite chic space. Thank you.